Hey guys, I'm Javier Torres with Salesforce. We're here at NAMM Show 2025 with Frank Luppino from Blizzard Lighting. Hey Frank, how you doing today?
I am absolutely wonderful. A little tired. This is day 3 of NAMM. It's been a great show. At this show, we're very blessed that we have product in 3 different locations here. We love our partnership with Allen Heath, but we have our 2.6 Icon indoor video wall, 500 by 500. It looks absolutely beautiful. There's 75 panels here. Also in the lighting rig, we have a lot of our ellipsoidal products. We have our Node B, which is a cylindrical ellipsoidal, or a Fresnel, because you can attach and detach the fronts of them to change it out. So it's great for the production world, the rental market. We have our larger Verismo ellipsoidal with a 300 watt RGB ALC engine in it, so it's way brighter than the old school 750. Plus, with all the colors that you can mix in it, it's absolutely beautiful. The big set, or I should say LED nodes that have come out, are the new RGB ALC chips. So those are red, blue, green, amber, lime, and cyan. That gets you full color spectrum all the way from the low white balance in the warm white all the way up to the high in, say, a 6500 or a 6600. So a lot of cool things. New also for Blizzard, a lot of new accessories that came out, new splitters, new drop boxes, whether it be PowerCon, whether it be True One, 3-pin, 5-pin on splitters, indoor and outdoor. So a lot of fun things here in this booth, as well as in our partnership that we have in one of our demo rooms, or 2.6 Icon product, as well as more cars and things. So a lot of exciting things here at NAMM this year. Very happy to have my product out on the floor.
Good, I'm excited. Thank you for your time.
Pleasure, thank you.